Everyone was awaiting the release of OneUI 6, but after multiple rounds of beta that includes 9 betas, Samsung is finally rolling it out. The update brings Android 14 to eligible Galaxy smartphones and tablets, bringing it at par with rest of the Google Pixel tablets and phones. The first set of devices to receive OneUI 6 stable will be the current Galaxy S23 series. Other flagship phones and tablets will receive it in the coming days or months. The update, which carries the build number BWJM, is rolling out in Germany. A US and South Korean rollout will begin very soon. The software is based on OneUI 6 Beta 9, meaning Samsung hasn't changed much from the last beta. If you are already on the latest beta, the update will be around 350 MB. For regular users, it will be around 3 GB. Samsung has been rigorously testing the update with as much as 9 beta, which is too much. But the updates carries the October 2023 security patch, and we can now expect Samsung to push the November patch after that. So Samsung becomes the second maker in Android space to launch the latest Android after Google themselves.